Okay guys, so for today's video, we are going to choose our power. Okay? Oh Mandy, what power would you like?
I'm just watching.
What power?
Ice.
Ice? Okay, my power is I can turn you into invisible or anyone. Yes.
I want like 2 powers.
No, only one. Oh, try your ice power.
Okay.
Wait, what if you freeze me?
Okay.
How are you gonna unfreeze me? How are you gonna unfreeze me if you freeze me? Another breath.
But if I'm gonna freeze you, I need to touch you.
Okay, first you focus so you'll have your power. Come on.
Okay.
One. Here, sit down here. Oh, focus ka muna. Me too, I will focus so I will have my invisible power. One, let's all focus. Like a ninja. Valar Morghulis. I'm enchanting the spell Valar Morghulis. Valar Doharis. For the night is dark and full of terror. For the night is dark and full of terror. We shall grant our power of ice and invisibility. Can you feel it? Okay, try to me. Wait. How are you gonna unfreeze me if you freeze me?
With my breath, of course.
Another. So first breath, you're gonna freeze me.
No, I'm gonna touch you if I freeze you. But if I use my breath, it will unfreeze.
Okay, let's see. Your turn, Bert. Come on. 1, 2, 3, go.
Ooh la la la. Guys, just look at this.
Oh my God, I feel so cold. It's true, your power has come true.
Ooh la la la. What a beautiful thing.
Okay, now. I still feel cold. Now it's time. Wait. Now it's time to test my power. My invisibility. I will turn you into invisible. No one will be able to see you.
Okay.
Okay? Valar Morghulis, you shall be invisible. So Mandy's gone, guys. All of that. So my power is real. Now I can see Mandy. Where's Mandy? I can only see Mama. Mama! Can you see Mandy?
No.
Oh my God. Where did she go?
Hello.
Mandy, come on.
Hi.
It's time.
Hi.
It's time. I can't see you. Where are you? Show yourself. Even if you're invisible, maybe you can feel. Let us feel something.
I'm here.
Mandy, come on.
I'm here.
Mandy. Something is strangling. Mandy, where are you? This is not a joke. Where are you? Mama, how could you find Mandy? I feel something strange. Mama, where's Mandy? Come on, we have to go.
Where's Mandy? Mandy!
Mama.
No one can see Mandy now. My invisibility is true. Valar Morghulis. Mandy, come on.
Uy.
Show yourself. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. Where are you? I feel like there's a big insect. Where are you, Mandy? Show yourself. I will try. Wait. I think there's a cockroach in me. Mandy, hey. I will find Mandy.
Hey, I'm here.
Mandy's around.
I'm here.
Mandy.
I'm here.
We're done. Take a video, Mandy.
No, I'm here.
Oh guys, could you help me where Mandy is?
I'm here.
Oh my God.
I'm here.
Really, I can touch Mandy.
I'm here.
My invisibility is real.
I'm here. Sorry.
Ah!